is Lorella. I'm an Italian yoga teacher. I have just finished my 2 weeks course, teacher training with Rajveer Singh and his wonderful staff. I'm so happy for this opportunity to learn about Iyengar yoga therapy, and this is a great opportunity for me to have knowledge about this and to have the possibility to bring back to my country a new way to help people to feel better, better body, better mind. And it was really fantastic and useful for me, for my personal practice, to change my personal practice and to have the chance to be more helpful for other people. I hope to come back soon and go on with my studies. And thank you so much for everything and this beautiful experience for me.
अधिक जानकारी के लिए आप हमारे चैनल लिव विद योगा को सब्सक्राइब करें और हमारा पता है लिव विद योगा, प्लॉट नंबर 141-142, रीगल रेजिडेंसी, लेन नंबर 5, निर्माण नगर, विश्वकर्मा मार्ग, जयपुर, राजस्थान, इंडिया।